Hi, if you wanna increase folder size on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then as a first step, let's go back to the home page and choose a folder we wanna resize. For example, this Microsoft one. For that, I need to press and hold it and simply choose this option, Enlarge. Tap it, and as you can see, this one I can't enlarge because of apps. So let's just move it up a bit by pressing and holding and moving up. And now let's press and hold it again and choose to enlarge. And here it is. This is the maximum size you can get with this folder. You can rename it here, and if you wanna make it smaller, you need to press and hold it and choose to shrink. And this is the smallest option. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.